Today, I would like to share deep thoughts about success, ambition, the future, and human potential without defending the capitalist system. I believe that in order to achieve success, we must move beyond a single system. Success cannot be measured solely by financial wealth or material gains. True success is rooted in inner fulfillment, personal growth, leaving a positive impact on the lives of others, creating value, and making contributions to society. Ambition is the driving force that pushes us toward betterment, reaching higher and delving deeper. However, ambition can become dangerous when we solely focus on material goals, disregarding friendships, family bonds, health, and our state of mind. It is vital to control and balance our ambition while not forgetting the other important values. When it comes to shaping our future, we must understand that individual effort alone is not enough. We must learn to collaborate, work together, and embody collective movement. The success of a community is the result of teamwork. To construct the future, we must have a vision for a fair, sustainable, and inclusive world and support collective goals. In the world of business, rather than conforming to dictated norms, we need to stand out as creative and original thinkers. Technological advancements and evolving social dynamics encourage questioning traditional business models and promoting more human-centered, flexible, and sustainable approaches. We must view our work as a purpose and become value-driven leaders. Throughout our journey to success, we must remain flexible in transforming obstacles into opportunities. Optimism is a critical mindset for overcoming challenges and reaching our goals. Successful individuals see opportunities behind every difficulty and do their best to seize them. Lastly, on our path to success, we must ask ourselves, why do we want to succeed? Our desire for success should be rooted in our inner values. Deep and meaningful reasons such as helping others, making contributions to society, and bringing value to our loved ones can be the driving force behind true success. Dear audience, today I shared deep thoughts on exploring human potential, contributing to society, and constructing our own path to success without defending the capitalist system. Remember, success is not limited to a single system. It relies on individuals' values, passions, uniqueness, and how they contribute to the world. Thank you, and I wish you all the best on your journey to success.